Breakfast bowls are a healthy and delicious trend with staying power. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful dragon fruit breakfast bowl, packed with great flavor and colorful functional fruits. Before we get started, remove the fruit from the freezer. Let it thaw for about 30 minutes so that everything is partially defrosted. In a food processor, combine the Dole diced dragon fruit, Dole sliced bananas, and Dole diced strawberries. Add in the coconut milk and process until the mixture is nice and smooth. Add in agave syrup to taste. Now we're ready to serve. Place the dragon fruit mixture in a bowl and sprinkle with rows of Dole diced dragon fruit, Dole mango cubes, Dole diced strawberries, Dole pineapple cubes, and Dole blueberries. For added crunch, garnish the bowl with toasted coconut and your favorite crispy toppings like granola, slivered almonds, or sunflower seeds. Your guests will love to start their day with the bright colors and tropical flavors of this dragon fruit breakfast bowl. Enjoy!